how to download and install Lucky Block for Minecraft. So first, just go to the link that I'll put in the description. Now, once you're here on the link, you just simply need to pick the game version of the Lucky Block mod right here, and also the mod loaders that you use. So for me, I am using Forge mod loader. I'm just going to simply download that by clicking here on the three dots here on the right side, and just simply click on download file and wait for it to download. So after that, I have now the downloaded Lucky Block right here on my desktop. So just simply go to the mods folder of Minecraft and place it right there. Just move it, and once that's done, you simply need to open up your Minecraft. So we now have a Lucky Block right here. Just simply go to it. So now just simply open up the box, and we have here a complete set of wooden tools and weapons. So it is random. You could get something else, or it could blow up or something. So be careful if you open it. But that's how you basically download and install the Lucky Block mod in Minecraft.